Gender-based violence, as I have said, has been a rampant, and in this year we have registered, or rather recorded, a good number of youths being killed. We in our universities we have had sad news about young girls who have been stabbed to death by their so-called loved ones, their boyfriends. We have also had cases of boyfriends being killed by their so-called girlfriends, which is an issue that we do not like. I know there are possibly many reasons that contribute to that or that lead to that. Could be matters drug abuse, could be matters depression and stress, could also be lack of proper guidance or lack of proper counseling. So today, as we have a large number of youths from Embu County today, here in LKIC we have more than 1,000. We will be having any speaker who is talking on stage is mentioning something to do with the end gender-based violence. So we will be sensitizing, or rather having that talk every now and then to our youth, so that we may be able to curb that issue more so in Embu County and in Kenya at large.
If you have each other, would there be gender-based violence? Unajua gender means hata jamaa anaweza kuongwa na msichana. Mkiwa generation hiyo ya below us, hizo zote tunasema mimi mtu akiwa na gender violence